I'm John Andre. I'm the Chief Information Officer for Steves & Sons.
My name is Tracy Rickman. I am the software engineer for Steves & Sons, and we're based out of San Antonio, Texas.
We're the third largest supplier of wood, metal, and fiberglass doors. We were having trouble with freight claims and being blamed for damage that we didn't cause. So we were able to use Laserfiche and a custom solution to drive information into Laserfiche that would then defend us from those claims. We ship approximately 3.5 million doors annually, and 3% we were seeing being returned and having to process claims for. And we've seen a 50% reduction in that claims expense over the past 6 months since we've implemented the solution.
When a freight claim comes in from the customer saying that, hey, we received this pallet of damaged material, they give us this pallet ID. We're able to go straight into Laserfiche and search for that one field and pull up the 1, 2, 3 pictures that are attached to that particular item, and then forward those to the freight vendor if there was no damage evident on our site at loading time.
We've integrated a new solution that allows us to capture that imagery along with all of the other information that we were capturing and bundling all together in one device and one process.
This is where the SDK came in that allows us to plug in the Laserfiche functionality into our own custom apps and hide all the complexities from that end user. So the process they will go through is they have the app here. They will usually scan with a Bluetooth scanner. We will manually enter it for this. They will scan the pallet ID. And at this time, the app will go out to a web service with that pallet ID. It'll query our own SQL database and return the customer name, the pallet contents, and display them in this area here. Once the user is verified that that is exactly what they were wanting to scan, they're able to click the Add Picture button, use the cameras on the device, take a picture before and as it's loaded, and once they have the pictures, and they can add up to 3, they hit the Submit the Pictures, and using the data came back from our SQL server, we'll transmit the picture and that data back to the web service, which will then use the SDK to dump these pictures into Laserfiche. We want to keep it as simple as possible for the users. So by not having to learn new software, and in this case, they hit like 2 buttons and are able to capture the information that we're needing, they're able to focus on their primary responsibilities, not let the technology tie them up. But at the same time, we're able to capture everything we need on the IT side to benefit the company.
Laserfiche is, for us, is part of an overall solution. It's not the end-all be-all. Laserfiche integrates with our various solutions through our use of the SDK. So we have production management solutions, we have accounting systems, we have personnel management systems, and we have Laserfiche that underpins all of those other systems. So with the SDK, we can leverage the power of Laserfiche without actually running Laserfiche and bake into our applications Laserfiche functionality. So that lets us get to information from within those other applications and really enables those applications to be even more than they are just out of the box.